Hello guys, my name is Shamli Sharma and we are doing hyperparameter review, and we already worked in theory part, grid search and random search, and in last video I told you the code about grid search. Now we will work with the code of random search. The random search code is same as we have done for grid search. Here we will import the randomized search CV, and for this we have to write this import value. uh, it is same as grid search. Here we write grid, right, and in that here we write randomized search. Now, in as we have passed the parameter in grid search, in the same way we have to pass the parameter in randomized search. Here we pass SVC, which is not trained. Earlier I also told you that it is not trained. In the same way in random search it is also not trained. We will assign the param grid, which we used the grid value in grid search. Here these are the grid value. Wait, I will paste on that in random search also, so it will be clear to you. Yeah, now okay. Now from here we in randomized search there is param distribution. What there is param distribution? We assign the param grid in param distribution and everything is same. Now we will use fit function in which we will train our model and check which model will fit for our random search, and which will give us the accurate value. Now it will take more time than grid search, because earlier in theory we learned that random search works with accuracy but take more time. But sorry, I'm not. Grid search works on accuracy but take more time, and random search take less time but accuracy is less than grid search. This is the most important point you have to remember. Now here we can now here it will take less time than grid search, but accuracy is not best than grid search. Now here if we print the random best param and random best estimator, we get kernel RBF, gamma 0.001 and C is 1. Whereas in sorry, whereas in grid search we have kernel RBF but C is 10, here 10, and here we get the value 1. Now now we will predict the value for X test. We will classify our report and pass Y test parameter and random prediction, which will predict the X test value. Now if we want the score, we will run it and we will here see that the accuracy score is 0.94, which is less than grid search. It is 0.01 difference, but the accuracy level of grid search is more, but the accuracy level of random search is less. As I already told you, grid search work on fast working, not accuracy, but sorry, grid search work on accuracy and take more time. But random search less time, work in less time and give less accuracy as compared to grid search. This is, I think, this topic is now clear to all of you. Uh, for now, that's all. Thank you.